Hello guys, today I am going to show you how to draw this drawing by using measurement. Okay guys, see this one is 100 length, height is 65, this one length is 30, this offset in between 10 10, total 40. Okay, this circle radiation 15. Okay guys, so how to draw this one we are going to see the in AutoCAD. We are going to open AutoCAD. See, enter command PL, then have to on ortho button, then enter 100. Now height is 65, enter. This side also 65, enter. This one 100. So we need to draw in middle. Okay, then in this one middle button we need to offset here 10 10, offset, give the 10, enter, select and right side, left side 10, one more time, this side also. So now we are going to draw the middle line 30, distance 30, enter. Okay, same thing he said this side also 30, enter. So we need to draw here in between the circle center, radiation 15. So we need to type 7.5. It will show the diameter 15. Same here also 7. Enter. So now drawing is ready. So if you want to see this one complete or not, you can check the image also. See, we have drawn this one, lines, offset, everything. So now it is pending dimensions. So we are going to give the dimensions now. Okay, so here click this one, select linear. First select length, height, this length 30. In this one offset is in between 10. If you want to see 10. Okay, this total complete 40. In this 2 20. In this gap also 10. This one 30. Okay, in this radiation now we are going to select radio, diameter, select 15. Now it is completed. See, we can check the drawing also, we can comparison. See this one, height 65, diameter 15, this length 30, offset in between 10. This one complete, this 2 20, this one and this one. Like this we can draw like this by using measurement. Okay guys, thank you so much.